Welcome to the video, where we will discuss what to expect upon arriving in the United States with your immigrant visa and understanding your I-551 stamp, which serves as temporary proof of your permanent residency. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. First up, we'll introduce the I-551 stamp that is placed in your passport. Next, we'll move to understanding the immediate activation of your permanent resident status. We'll follow this by discussing some key considerations and frequently asked questions about your new residency status. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary and some final thoughts. Let's dive into what the I-551 stamp is. Upon arriving in the United States with your immigrant visa, you'll receive an I-551 stamp. This stamp in your passport is extremely important, as it acts as proof of your permanent resident status for 1 year while you await your physical green card. Once you enter the United States with your immigrant visa, your permanent resident status becomes effective immediately. This swift process is signified by the I-551 stamp in your passport, which temporarily serves as proof of your residency for up to a year. This means you don't have to worry about any delays related to receiving your physical green card. Now let's see how much you've understood so far. Here's a quick quiz question. What does the I-551 stamp represent? Is it A, temporary work permit, B, proof of permanent resident status, C, a tourist visa, or D, a travel document? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B, proof of permanent resident status. The I-551 stamp in your passport serves as proof of your permanent resident status for 1 year. As new residents, there are a few things you need to consider. Firstly, your age or delays in receiving your physical green card should not concern you, as your status is already active. Secondly, traveling with the I-551 stamp in your passport is perfectly valid within its 1-year validity. Lastly, remember to keep your address with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services updated to avoid any disruptions. Let's summarize what we discussed. Your permanent residency is effective immediately upon entering the United States with an immigrant visa. The I-551 stamp in your passport serves as temporary proof of your residency for up to 1 year. Remember to stay informed about your responsibilities as a new resident, such as updating your address with USCIS. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.